Good morning. This is Mrs. Gomez, just giving you a little tutorial on how to use the McGraw-Hill platform. Right now I'm in the ELA unit, accessing the Wonders curriculum, what we have been using in class. I just logged into one of my students' pages just to show you for tutorial purposes. There's a few resources that you could access, like the reading tab, games, writing, words to know, and today we will be talking about the to do, which is where you will find the homework that's assigned.
To do.
So we'll click on it, and here you see the current work that is due. That's the to-do list, and you could access it right here. You click over to your turn. Practice book. For some reason it has all the workbook pages, and your child is not required to do all these pages this week. On the dojo story, I posted specifically what pages we are looking for, so no, don't stress, they don't have to do all the pages. So right here, just for the tutorial purpose, let me show you some of the icons. They have the same worksheet that I posted on dojo. It's right here. So circle the long I word that completes each sentence. Write the word. So the baby will cry or sips. So they will write the word cry. You could get the little pencil, and then you could write the word right here. Doesn't have to be perfect. And let's just imagine that the student completed the work right here. I'm just going to click save. And you could just save it and keep on working on it other days. So see, it's been saved to your assignment and to your work binder. But just for the tutorial purpose, let's just imagine that the student completed all the work. It's right here, and you just click submit, and that will be sent straight to me, to my folder. You don't need to print anything or take pictures of anything. It just goes straight to me to grade. If you have any questions, please let me know and I'll be happy to help. And thank you again for your patience as we try to navigate this new online curriculum. Thank you. Have a nice day.